lately I've been feeling a little lost. I have so many things I want to do. I want to improve my English. I want to finish my game. I want to make videos. I want to read more. But somehow, every day just slips away. This summer has been different. My daughter is home with me because I took her out of kindergarten for the summer. I don't have a regular job right now. My husband works incredibly hard to support our family. And honestly, seeing how much he does makes me want to use my own time better. I realized I wasn't even resting. I was just scrolling. Instagram, TikTok. It didn't make me happier. It just made me feel like another day has disappeared. So I decided to replace one habit, not with something perfect, just something real. Every morning I write down my thoughts. I make a simple to-do list. Nothing fancy, just enough to remind myself what actually matters today. Is it easy? Not at all. Some days I still catch myself reaching for my phone. Some days I don't finish everything I planned. And that's okay. I'm not trying to become the most productive person on the internet. I'm just trying to become someone who keeps small promises to herself. Maybe today it's 10 minutes of English. Maybe tomorrow it's one page of a book. Maybe it's writing one line of code. Tiny things, but they count. I think that's kind of life I want, a quieter one. One where I create more and consume less. So I deleted Instagram, I deleted TikTok, not because they're bad, but because I need a little more space for the life I'm trying to build.